Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to transfer USDD from Bitget to Trust Wallet. In order to transfer USDD from Bitget to Trust Wallet, you have to follow the steps. First of all, what you have to do is you need to go ahead and open up your Trust Wallet application and then copy the wallet address. So select what sort of asset you're transferring. So in my case, I'm going to go with USDD. And when you type in USDD, you need to copy the wallet address. So click on receive, and then here you could press the copy button, or you could download the QR code and then you can scan it. When you've actually done with this procedure, exit out and go to Bitget and log in into your account. When you're logged in, what next you have to do is you need to go ahead and press the asset button. After that, you need to go ahead and press on send. Then you need to paste in the wallet address that you've recently copied, enter the exact amount, review all of the terms and conditions, and confirm the transaction. You've successfully transferred USDT from Bitget to Trust Wallet. So by following the steps, you have successfully transferred USDT from Bitget to Trust Wallet. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.